Mr. Gerry Skerritt.
Super, Cyrus. Thanks very much. Barry White. I mean, what, 20 years ago that was Barry White. Super, Cyrus. Thanks for that. Great to be here. Flippin' heck, look at that. I've never seen myself that big on a screen before. I think just before that picture, you know they say you are what you eat. I do not remember eating a sexy beast that morning, but I must have. And I think a lot of you are on that diet as well here today. Very pleased to be here. Very excited to be first up and showing you something that we've been working on at Dream Team for a little while. We've been going for 22 years. I know I don't look old enough, but 22 years this month. Dream Team girls are at the back. They'd love to chat to you about all the stuff we do, all the exciting new stuff. But for the last 7 months, I've been working on a new project, which is really, really exciting. It brings technology to team building like it's never been done before. We know technology is everywhere. It's pervasive. It's improving our lives. You probably noticed yourselves without even noticing. Have you noticed now how quickly, even before it was quick, but now it's so much quicker to put $500 worth of petrol in your car? Have you noticed? It's amazing. Technology. Well, we've taken team building to a whole new level with a little thing called In the Zone, which is tablet-based and a technology that we're going to be showing to you, not in 5 minutes that we've got now, and I think I've got about 3 minutes left, but we're going to be showing you what this can do to really enhance the experience, the learning experience. It uses a thing called Gammafication, which is basically to increase motivation, have fun, and learn while you do that. We'll be working with a lot of the speakers that you're going to see for the rest of the day here today to enhance and to get a 1 + 1 = 3 experience with the wonderful stuff that they do. So, In the Zone is an application that is on the Android store, it's on Apple, it's our product, and it's basically using a thing. If you see on your little iPhone screen over there, the whole technology is based around these little purple spots, which are called GPS location hotspots, where we put all these sorts of challenges and information that your teams, delegates, trainees, inductees will unlock. GPS location hotspots is a flipping long phrase. We actually, what we first did was we thought, well, let's shorten that and call them G-spots. But then we found that the guys wouldn't look for them. So we're going back to GPS location hotspots. And what happens is we've got millions of these all over the world. We can put them absolutely anywhere. And the idea is using the technology, you go around. When you're physically in that location, you unlock all sorts of challenges. Great fun for team building, great for learning, great for induction. It's competitive. You have smallish teams, probably the sort of teams 4 or 5 or 6 people that you are now on a table. And you obviously compete against other teams. It can be done at exhibitions. Absolutely wonderful for mapping an indoor exhibition and getting you to go around and interact and to learn. The features that have built into this that makes it really, really awesome is a complete multimedia experience. We can put videos in there, we can put photographs, we can put the CEO popping up at a location and asking a question. We can get the HR manager coming up and asking a question. GPS and image recognition, it uses IR, which we can put a picture of a person, a thing, a logo, a QR code, which makes it wonderful. So we could do a thing right here in this room. So an amazing race, as it were, without you having to schlep around town, get stuck in that traffic that Al's talking about, and obviously zero carbon footprint as well. It's live and interactive. Every team knows what's going on. There's a live Twitter feed on there that shows interaction between the teams, the scoreboards, and it's the games manager, which can be one of your people, our people, can interact as everyone goes around. The real strength of this is the great questions and challenges. The technology is really a vehicle to use whatever you want to use. All of the wonderful stuff that Dream Team has that we've done over the years, we can map this onto here in a very neat format. No need for reams of paper. No need even for lots and lots of facilitators. We can use your material. the things that you want your people to learn or to remember or to practice. We can get information in there two ways. You can get your delegates to feed in information as well. It's totally customizable. We've got many uses for it. As I say, my time's up. I'm going to get a little flashing light over here that says end. So I will do that, but we're really keen to chat to anyone today. Make contact with us. Marilyn is going to be putting together an awesome event, and we want each one of you to be involved with it. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the showcase.